thing about this recycled timber, you can see that the bore holes are quite easy to see. We could have had those plugged, something similar in colour with a round dowel, but there's no apologies for the bore holes. That's one of the things about recycled timber that make it unique. The timber came from an old railway bridge in Mount Morgan, Queensland. You wouldn't have thought they'd get beams that size out of the bridge work, but it has to be something like an old bridge or something like that to get timber that size.
It's very hard to get this type of product these days. The new timbers don't really exist, so with recycle you can get some species which is stable. It's very hard to get any timbers in those sizes now, you know. And just trying to get a unique look and something past the norm, we sort of need to go that way, you know. When I deal with a lot of architects, they're all looking for that sort of thing. So they're trying to find something new and something different.
When you get rain on it, it'll often draw out the sap stain from the timber. If it's unseasoned, that's when it's at its worst. Now, ironbark is one of those red timbers where the tannins can come out and they can spoil the block work and cost a lot of money to get rid of that sap stain if it does happen. If they had been new, unseasoned, perhaps there may have been some sagging involved with it. There might have been a bit of checking as the timber dries out in the hot sun. So those sort of things that you don't want to happen aren't going to happen because this is recycled, and I've already mentioned the sap stain.
And it's just got a look that you can't achieve with other timbers, with new timbers. It just fits this style of this sort of nature, this sort of the type of houses I've built over the years, really. I'm a local kid down here, Port Cicero. I've done an apprenticeship down here with a builder. He built high-end residential in those days, so I've been doing this since a long time, 30 odd years or more. The idea of having someone like Jeff on board is ideal. You know, the service is good, the reps are good. They'll go that extra step to get things for me. You know, it's very important that I can get good quality products and source different stuff. Ring up and there's always someone there to help you with something you need.